Welcome to a powerful mental projection where we're channeling the black power of the universe with the help of Sekhmet, the Black Panther Collective, and the Black Arcturian Collective. We are summoning this force, this Primal Mother void, dark matter energy that feels like chaos with tentacle moving, and then we're holding space with the white Father Spirit energy of the universe. And this is all happening within us, but through the whole collective in our etheric container. This is a wonderful activation, clearing, rebooting every cell in our body, allowing us to remember the depth of our power. Welcome to a mental projection journey channeling the black power energy of the universe with Sekhmet and the Black Panther Collective. Bring attention to your heart center. Visualize the torus field in the front and the back of a black power energy. In the front, creating the fractal of coherence, pulsating out of this vortex, this torus field. Strings of energy merging, creating patterns, structure, harmony, oneness. Everything is vibrating faster in your heart. You are activating, opening your heart. Feel the energical heartbeat in front of your chest. Bring the currents in the back of your heart. This beautiful black power energy. Bring the currents in your arms, your hands, your fingers. They are extension of your heart. All your cells in your chest, in your arms, your hands are vibrating faster in oneness, restructuring it, rebooting, clearing everything. We are moving to my octagon temple, four-sided crystal glass pyramid with another one under. Reverse. This octagon is spinning in the ether. Right now it's all black power. There's a black flame in the center. We're creating a circle all around, holding hands with our light body, looking on the left and right, acknowledging each other. We start circulating black power energy from our left hand, moving to our left arm, to our heart, and giving back to the other, to our right arm, right hand. It's circulating all around the collective. We are creating one heart, synchronizing our heart together, becoming one heart, one being, one massive torus field. My white lion self is coming in the center. He's embodying his black power energy. He's wearing a white wardrobe with black ribbon, holding his golden staff that has some black ribbon and a black gemstone on top of it. He's swirling it up in the air, channeling black codes of energy, creating a tornado of black power energy. And there's a portal opening under us, and we are summoning this black power, dark matter, primal mother, the energy of nothingness, the void, entering your feet, the energy of the womb, moving into your sacral, and it's cleansing everything in your belly. And then we start opening a white portal above, a shower of pure white light. White spirit is falling to hold space for that dark matter that feels like venom, energy, tentacle, spreading, conquering, growing fast and moving in all directions. but the white energy is coming to hold space for it to contain it. It's happening all over the temple and within yourself, in your belly. We're creating a white egg containing this black power energy that is almost like battling with itself. It's the energy of chaos. We are soothing it, holding space for it, calming it down. It slowly solidifies inside of the egg. It's like a dark water, a thick petrol look-alike dark water that is slowly calming itself down. It feels seen and held in your belly. Take a big breath in your belly. And we are welcoming Sekhmet, 2-3 times taller than us, huge black panther female, embodying the black power energy with a fierce fire energy, a primal sexual tantric force. She is landing in the center of our collective and spreading a dark fire. It's like orange yellow flame with a black power energy, activating your solar plexus and your sacral with that flame of destruction, transmuting, cleansing every cells, atom, every part of your organs and your energy body, rebooting your sexual energy. Feel the heat, feel the fire burning. She's coming to each and every one of you, putting her 2 hands on your belly. Oh, Nashia Kia Shunta. Anakia Wash. Yanake. Oh, Ashinakiati. You're now embodying a starseed aspect of you that is embodying the black power energy. It might be a black panther, feline aspect, or other beings that are mastering the black power energy. There is black Arcturians, other type of felines, other type of beings across dimension. Remember, feel your heart with a black gemstone. Feel your hands. They're turning black. You're opening the chakra in your palm with that black power. We are welcoming the Black Panther Collective. They're coming right behind us, creating a circle just a bit above. And we're welcoming the Black Arcturian Collective. 7-dimensional black Arcturians that are holding space with the white Arcturian on their planet to hold space for the 6th-dimensional city. The yin and the yang working together. The white realm of the 70s above, the 6D city, and then the black realm of the 70 black Arcturian is below. So these Arcturians are coming a bit below us, behind, creating a circle in the temple, holding space. And together, these two collective are summoning a portal of black power that feels more like a laser energy, a nuclear laser beam of energy shooting down and above, entering the center of our collective. This laser beam below is a different black than the one above. The one above is slightly white. The one below is like pure, beautiful black. It's upgrading the temple. There's black light codes floating everywhere. Oh, lucky. Remember your power. Black power energy is taking all your shadows and turning them into a force, into strength, into a superpower, superhero energy. Your spine is activating with that black power. Your whole spine is becoming black, and like a tree, like a trunk of a tree, rising all the way up into your brain, spreading on the side to your nervous system. And we're channeling white light coming from above, showering ourselves, holding space for that tree of life of black power passing through the spine, spreading the branch on the side through the nervous system. Sekhmet is coming to each and every one of you and putting a black gemstone energy right above your thymus gland. There is a etheric treasure right there. It's almost like you are wearing a big necklace with this beautiful obsidian black stone hanging right there. Now put your hands in prayer position in front of your heart, and we bow to the black Arcturian, the black Panther collective, Sekhmet, my white lion. We bow to each other, remembering that we are the black power. We accept our dark side. We hold space for it. Thank you so much. Please comment below your experience. Come back in your body, look on the left, right, and feel that black power through all your cells. Attune yourself to it. Build communion with it. Thank you for doing this. Please comment below your experience.